I think we all want Minecraft to look like this. Beautiful visuals, better textured blocks, most importantly, smooth performance. That's what I'm going to show you today. I've watched all the tutorials I can find, and I've scoured the internet to find the best possible configurations to make the game run well and look good. My computer is particularly bad for running games. I have a laptop. That's right, a laptop. I do not have a PC, and it might be a little bit laggy, so I'm sorry for that. Here are my computer specs. And first what we're going to need to do is install Sodium and Iris. Of course, these are the two most popular performance mods for Minecraft. Next we're going to install Fabric API and Cloth Config API. More performance mods, we're going to install Entity Culling, Ferret Core, Mod Menu because we need the mod menu because we need to see the mods, Lithium, Immediately Fast, Sodium Extra, which just adds extra features to Sodium, Entity Texture features, and Entity Model features. Don't forget to install yet another config. Next, we're going to search up FPS, and we're going to go to FPS Reducer and install that, and FPS Display. We're going to scroll down to Dynamic FPS and also install that. Search up Noisium and install that, which helps with chunk management. Then search C2M and Concurrent Chunk Management Engine will pop up. Install that, of course. Search Fix and click on Model Gap Fix and install that. Then search Krypton and install that. Next, you're going to want to search Coal, install Coal Leaves, Coal Particles Multiloader, and last but not least, more culling. Now we've got all of our performance mods installed. Now we can get to the good stuff. Next, we're going to go to shaders. I have found two shaders that are pretty good. We're going to search Make Up. And once this comes up, two shaders are going to come up. Makeup Ultrafast and LITE Shaders Makeup Edit. These two are the best shaders that I've found for performance. So we're just going to install both of these. If you like one more than the other, you can install that one and keep that one. If you don't like one, you can just uninstall it. Next, we're going to install some resource packs. You're going to search up Reimagined. And once this pops up, we're going to click Install. For those of you wanting a more detailed resource pack, we're going to search Pixlli. These two resource packs are very good for performance. Reimagined is a little bit easier on the FPS, and Pixlli is a little bit harder. You can install PBR with Pixlli, so if you want a really good performance one, search SPBR, and this will pop up. You can also install both if you want. This one will make glowing ore, and then once that's installed, just go back to the home page. Now we're still in resource packs. We're going to install Fresh Animations, which gives all the mobs really cool animations. Install better lanterns and better lights. With that, search Dynamic, and you should find Dynamic Lights. Make sure to click on this one, the one without the circle lighting. We're going to be looking into audio in the game. Search Ambient Sounds and install that. Then basically look up Sounds, and you'll find Sounds. And then if you just look up Sound, you'll get Sound Physics Remastered and install that. Alright everyone, that is all of our mods installed. Each one thought through and made sure to have good performance. Now let's go ahead and click play. And we're going to click on Light Shaders first. Next we're going to click on Apply. It might take a while to load, but once it does, it should look just like this. Of course, it might run different on different computers, but I think it looks excellent. There are a few things you might need to do to make it look just a little bit better. For example, go to Video Settings, Quality, and set Leaves to Fancy instead of Default. Now you can see through them, which is really nice. Now I am running at about 30 FPS right now. And of course, that might be different for you because I am recording right now and that takes a lot of my GPU power. Next, we're going to be activating our resource pack. So click Escape again, go to Options, then there's going to be a Resource Packs right here. And then we're going to click the arrow to activate all of them. Now, we can pick between Reimagined and Pixlli. I'm going to pick Reimagined because it runs a lot better on my computer, and we just click Done. Now it's going to load up, and now let's just click back to game. As you can see, it looks pretty good. In case this shader isn't for you, just go back to Options, Video Settings, Shader Packs, and click on the Makeup Ultrafast. Once we apply that, it should take a second, and then it is applied. It's basically the same, it runs the same, it looks a little bit darker, which I do not like in my opinion. With the fresh animations, the animals eat grass, and they can move their eyes. And look at that chicken, look at that, it's even got the red thing around it. And they look at you and everything. The sun looks different. There's rays now. The blocks look different thanks to our resource packs. The visuals just look really good. You might as well install some terrain packs like Terralith or Tectonic if you have a really good computer. Personally, I cannot believe I can do this on my computer. I'll see you in the next video.